It is believed ukuthi kube ne-prize lebhadalwako for ukuthi DJ Warras abulawe. Hello guys, sanibonani and welcome back to my channel. On today's file we have DJ Warras, whose real name is Warwick Stock. Lodutshulwe wabulawa 16 December 2025. Udutshulwe outside Zambezi House in Johannesburg CBD. Lapho laphume khona kuthiwa it is alleged ukuthi uphume ayoreceive i-phone call lebesolo imfonela kwathi kusenjalo wathi makafika lapha akazange asaba nomuntu lophinza abuyela ekhaya. Kuthiwa bekanama-protection order la-5 against lama-owner aleya building bekaye koyi-claim-a for on behalf of lomunye umuntu lebekumele itholwe nguye after. U-Mr Stock bekaneminyaka leyi-40 and bantu labaningi bebamate the time asebenza ku-live ku-SABC 1 and bayasho labanye ukuthi lena bekuyinto ehleliwe because uWarras bekayi-voice yalabo labanganayo i-voice yokuthi ilele ukuthi ikhulumele. Sesakuvelile washo ukuthi uyacela ukuthi abantu bangaphosti tithombe leti ma-video especially lapha kuleya scene because Warras unebantwana laba sesebancane bayi-3. So qabanga ukuthi if bathi ubona letho tinto ukuthi bese bafila kanjani. So sasesha mara kuthiwa there's this guy lwaba khona lapha kwama-dreadlocks after ceda kwenteka lengoti bathi jikiti uphinde wabuyela futhi wayongena lapha. So Warras sebenza lapha ku-show televisa. Let's hope justice will be served under Warras' name because kube kuningi into lethu isotendeka because lawo ma-phone call lakavetako lapha kunegama eliveliwe ukuthi Mr Solons nguye bekamfonela njani. So asithi uma bangaqinisa sandla babute yena maybe kunema-link labangawahlanganisa. So guys, that's all for today. Please like, comment and subscribe. Donibona ku-video elandelayo. Bye.